My name is Ava, and I am a travel vlogger. Over the last year, I traveled Pakistan far and wide. I believe that Pakistan can be the world's #1 tourism destination. It really can. Let me give you a few arguments as to why I think so. Starting with the mountains of Pakistan, one of the greatest assets that nature has bestowed on this country. Imagine 5-star resorts, private islands, and beach shacks lining this beautiful coastline.
I wanted to come to Pakistan to change the perception of what this country is. You know, you hear Pakistan, oh, it's dangerous, oh, they're terrorists. This isn't true. So I wanted to show the true heart of Pakistan to the world.
I'm about to say some things that might make you uncomfortable, but hear me out. Despite the purpose of the summit being to talk about Pakistan has become trendy over the last few years. But in Pakistan, the difference between what an influencer experiences on a trip and what an independent traveler experiences on a trip is massive.